Good morning all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all good and safe. I am also good, Nana. Thank you so much. Keep washing your hands regularly and be hygienic. Okay? Very good. Today I am back with a new topic. Our Earth and its neighbors. Okay? All of you be ready with your Term 3 textbook and open page number 128, Nana. This page, this lesson, this page and this lesson, okay? Our Earth and its neighbors. Open this page. Okay, ma? Shall I start? Okay, very good. Now I am going to ask one question, Nana. Where we are living? Where we are living? Think once. Yes, we are living on Earth. We are living on Earth. Okay. We see different types of animals, so many plants, deserts, plains, hills, mountains, rivers, oceans. All these are Earth also. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Do you know one thing, Nana? Our Earth is made up of sea. Land means soil or land. Okay? Soil or land. Next one, water. And next one, air. Okay? Our Earth is made of land, water and air. Okay? Because of these three things only, we can able to survive on Earth. Got my point? Very good. Not only this, Nana, our Earth is covered with 3/4 of water or 75%. 75% of water and 1/4 or 25% of land. Okay, Nana? 3/4% of water and 1/4% of water. Our Earth is covered with 3/4 of water and 1/4 of land also. Okay, Nana? Okay, very good. As well as our Earth is covered with one layer also. That layer is formed with air. Okay? See here, Nana. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air. What is that? Air. Okay? So our Earth is covered with these three things. Covered with land, water, air. Okay, Nana? Do you know one thing, ma? We have 8 planets in space. We have 8 planets in space. Okay? Out of these 8 planets, our Earth is third place. Is in third place. We have 8 planets, Nana, in space. Okay? What are the 8 planets, Nana? Let us see. First one is Mercury. Second one is Mercury. See in textbook once. In page number 128, Nana. Okay? Mercury, Venus. Third one is, what is the third one? Earth. Very good. Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. What is that? Uranus. Very good. And last one is Neptune. Okay? Okay, Anna? See here. Neptune, Pluto, Anna. See. Neptune and Pluto. Okay? Okay, Anna? Let us see page number 128. Here you can see this picture. What is the first one, ma? Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third one, yes, a planet, Earth. Okay, good. Fourth one, Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. And last one is Neptune. Okay? These are the 8 planets. We have these planets in our space. Okay, Nana? These 8 planets along with the sun form solar system. Form solar system. Solar system. See here, out of these 8, where is our planet, Nana? Where is our planet? Yes, in 3rd place, Earth. Earth is in 3rd place. Okay, you know one thing, Nana? These 8 planets don't have light their own. Okay, but they reflect the light of the sun. They reflect the light of the sun only. Why? Because of sun is a star. Sun is a star. It has its own light also. It has its own light also. Okay, Nana? Okay. We are seeing sun every day. Am I right? Right. Okay. We are thinking the sun is very small. Is this right? No, this is wrong. Compared with Earth, sun is very big. Sun is a very big star. Okay, compared with the Earth, sun is a very big star. Okay? In our space, we have so many stars and planets also. That is called universe. That is called universe. How, if you observe clearly, how big is star? But we have so many stars in universe also. So how is big? How much big is universe? Yes. Okay. Got my point? Very good. Now let us learn the shape of the earth. Let us learn the shape of the earth. Okay, ma? See here. So many years back, people thought our earth is flat to look, but there was no proof to show that. Okay, see here, Nana. See here. If you observe this picture clearly, it means if we see one boat in a sea or ocean, then we can see only upper part. We can't see lower part when it is sailing. See here, Nana. For example, this is a sea or ocean, Nana. This is boat. We are seeing from here, Nana. Okay. If you observe clearly, when it is sailing, then it is going front, this side. When it is going, we can see only upper part, this part only. We can't see the lower part. When it is sailing to this side, then slowly it is going down. See here. Here we can see this part only. This part only. We can't see this part also. Okay, Nana? It means we can see only upper part. We can't see lower part because of it is sailing only on the curved surface. See here. Here we can see only upper part. We can't see this lower part. When it is sailing, it is going forward. We can't see completely here because of it is sailing on a curved surface. If it is straight, then we can see complete boat. But it is sailing on curved surface. That's why we can't see the lower part of this boat. Okay, Nana? Okay, very good. A few hundred years ago, sailors had proved that the earth is round. Who proved, Nana? Who proved that the earth is round? Yes, sailors. So many years back, sailors had proved that the earth is round. How? 1 minute. Nana. Okay. How? See here carefully. Sailors, they have started at one point, Nana. From here, for example, they have started from one point. After that, sail down, sail down, sail down, sail down. Again, they reach to the same point. Again, they reach to the same point. Again, sailors reach to the same point. Okay, it can happen only. It can happen only the path is in circular. Only the path is circular. Okay, only the path is circular. Now, can we say the earth is round or no? Yes, we can say earth is round. Okay, Anna? Very good. Not only sailors, ma, so many astronauts also. Astronauts. Astronauts. Who are astronauts, Anna? Astronaut. Astronaut is a person who has trained for traveling in space. Okay, astronaut is a person who has trained for traveling in space. Okay, Anna? Very good. Sailors and so many astronauts also had proved the earth is round. The earth is round in a shape. Okay, Anna? Very good. But it looks like flat to us because we are, see here, Nana. Earth is in round, na? Okay. Because we are seeing only here. Because we are seeing only a tiny part of the, tiny means very small, Nana. Okay. A tiny part of the earth only. We can see here only. We can't see this complete part of the earth. If we observe clearly from distance, how is this, Nana? See here. Is this flat or curved? This is flat. Okay? Now got my point? Very good. Earth is a round, not flat. We are seeing only tiny part of the earth only. Earth. Okay? Very good. Now what is the shape of the earth? Yes. It is in round. It is round in shape. Okay. Now let's try to learn the movements of the earth. Okay, Rana? Here we will do one experiment to understand the movement of the earth. Okay. Let us see that experiment. Sit down, Rana, once. See here, Nana. Listen to me carefully. Here I am taking one bangle. Here I am taking one bangle to do this experiment, Nana. To do this experiment. Okay? See here carefully what I am doing. Observe carefully, Nana. Here we can see up one point, down one point. Again I will show, Nana. See clearly, up one point, down one point, clearly, Nana. Here 2 points are there, up and down. Again I am showing, Nana, see clearly. Up and down, both points are there. When it is spinning, Nana, it looks like a ball. When it is spinning, it looks like a ball. If it is stopped, then we can't see that ball. Smile. Look at the board, Nana, once. Again I am showing same experiment here also. This is bangle. When it is spinning, we are seeing here 1 point and here also 1 point. Both points are there. Okay, it means this bangle is spinning based on these both points, up and down. Okay, when it is join these both points, it looks like a imaginary, it looks like a line, but it is not a real line, Anna. Just it is an imaginary line. Imaginary line, Anna. Okay. If bangle is stopped, then we can't see this imaginary line. Okay. How this bangle is spinning in this experiment, in the same way the earth also rotating on its own axis. The earth also rotates on its own axis. How is this imaginary line, Nana? Straight. But when earth rotates, here also one imaginary line, Nana, but that is not straight, just slightly tight. Okay. This is, for example, this is our bangle imaginary line, but this is at axis. Okay, just slightly tilted. Okay, okay, Nana. This is called imaginary line. So now can we say the earth also rotates on its own axis? Here, this is called imaginary line for this bangle, but this imaginary line is called an axis. What is that, Nana? Axis. A-X-I-S. Axis. This imaginary line is called axis. Okay. So earth rotates on its own axis. Okay. Now let us come to page number 113, Anna. This page. See here. This page. Okay. Actually, this is imaginary line, Anna. But this is right side, Anna. This one. This is the earth axis. Earth rotates on its own axis. Just slightly. Okay. Got my point? Okay. So, earth rotates on its own axis. Earth rotates on its own axis. That is called rotation. What is that, Anna? That is called rotation. Rotation. Okay. That is called rotation. And you know one thing, Nana? The earth takes 24 hours. Earth takes 24 hours. Earth takes 24 hours to complete its rotation. Rotation. 1 minute, Nana. See here. For example, this is earth, ma'am. This is earth. Earth rotates on its own axis like this, Nana. Earth rotates on its own axis. Okay. Earth takes 24 hours to complete its rotation. Got my point? Very good. This is about the movements of the earth, Nana. Clear? Very good. Now, let's try to learn how we are getting day and night. Okay? Okay, ma? To understand this topic, I will show in the experiment, Nana. To show this experiment, I am taking one ball, ma. Okay. This ball as the earth. Okay. Here I can't bring the sun, Nana, to show this experiment. That's why I am taking this torchlight. It acts as a sun. Okay. See here, Nana. Here I divided this ball into two parts. Part A, India. I means India, Nana. Okay. As well as here I wrote here A. America. America. One part India, another part America. Okay. We all know about Earth rotates on its own axis. Okay. When it is rotating, I part. Okay. I part is facing towards sun. I part is facing towards the sun. Okay. Here the sunlight is falling on I part or A part? I part. Okay. The sunlight is falling on I part only. Now this I part gets day. This I part gets day. Okay. Here can we see A part, Nana? Can we see A part means America? We can't see. Okay. Because it doesn't have a light of the sun. Okay. Okay. Now I part is getting a day. Okay. We all know about the earth rotates on its own axis. Okay. When it is rotating, again A part is facing towards the sun. A part is facing towards the sun. Now this A part is getting light of the sun. Okay. So this A part gets day. Very good. Now can we see India? No, we can't see. Now we can see only America. Got my point? Okay, very good. See here, Nana, in textbook, page number 130, Nana. Here. Okay, this is bulb, this is a torchlight. When torchlight on, we can see only this A part. We can't see this back part. Okay? Very good. Means the half part of the earth which gets light from the sun, that has a day. Okay. See here, Nana. Only half which gets light from the sun, that has day. The other half which doesn't get light from the sun, that has night. Now can you now understood how we are getting day and night? Yes. Okay. Very good. Means we are getting day and night because of the earth rotation only. Because of the earth rotation only. Okay, Nana? Very good. Now let's try to learn about the revolution. Revolution means, Nana? Revolution means? Okay, let me explain. We all know about our earth rotates on its own axis from west to east. From west to east. Earth rotates from west to east only. Okay? Very good. As well as earth rotates around the sun also. As well as earth rotates around the sun also. See here, Nana. This is the sun. Okay, ma? This is the sun. This is our planet Earth. See here clearly, Nana. This is the Earth. Earth rotates from west to east on its own axis. Earth rotates from west to east on its own axis. As well as it also rotates around the sun also. Around the sun also. Around the sun also. See here. 1 minute, ma. Just 1 minute. Clear, Nana? How the earth rotates on its own axis, as well as it also rotates around the sun also. In this way, Nana. Okay? It rotates around the sun in a fixed path. In a fixed path. This fixed path is called as an orbit. Orbit, ma. Okay. Earth rotates on its own axis, but Earth rotates around the sun on fixed path, on a fixed path. That fixed path, this one, ma. This fixed path is called as orbit. What is that? Orbit. And this is called as the revolution. What is that, ma? Revolution. Okay. Earth rotates on its own axis is called rotation, as well as Earth rotates around the sun is called around the sun in a fixed path is called revolution. Revolution, Anna. Okay. Revolution. We can see here also page number 131, Anna. See, this is a planet Earth. Earth rotates around the sun in a fixed path. Okay. That is called revolution. That is called revolution. Okay. This is about the movements of Earth. Movements of the Earth. Now, let's try to learn about our favorite sun. Okay. Very good. We are seeing the sun every day. So, can we say the sun is very small? No. It's a big star. It's a big star. Okay. And you know, when we breathe in, then this air contains different types of gases also. Not only oxygen. We are taking only oxygen from that air. But the air contains different types of gases. Okay? Like oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, nitrogen, etc. Okay, Rana? So, see, the sun is very big ball of hot gases. How the air contains different types of gases. But sun has different types of hot gases. Not cool, hot. Okay, hot gases. Why? Because of sun has its own light and temperature also. Light and temperature also. Okay, it is the star closest to the earth. Only the sun is the nearest star to our earth. Okay, it has its own light and heat also. Okay, the earth and the other planets move around the sun. Not only sun, we have learned in the starting of the lesson also. Not only earth, there are 8 planets. 8 planets are rotating around the sun. Okay, ma? They get some of the sun's heat and light. How the earth is getting light from the sun, as well as 8 planets. 8 planets also getting light from the sun. Okay, Anna? Okay. The temperature on the sun's surface is about 5400 degrees centigrade. Oh my God, we have only 50 degrees centigrade only, but sun has 5400 degrees. How much, Anna? 5400 degrees centigrade. How much heat, Anna? Am I right? Yes. We are having only 50 up to 50 degrees centigrade, Nana. Okay. This is about the sun, ma. See. This is sun image. This page 131 sun. 131. Okay. Now let's try to learn about the moon. Till now we have learned about the earth, planets as well as sun also. But now we are trying to learn about the moon. Moon is the satellite of Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Why? Because 8 planets are rotating around the sun. Am I right? Okay. But moon is rotating around our earth. Moon is rotating around our earth, Nana. See here. This is sun, ma. Here earth. Earth is it is rotating around the sun. But here moon is rotating around the earth. Moon is rotating around the earth. This is moon, ma. Moon. This is earth. Sun. Here observe clearly. Earth is rotating around the sun. Okay. This is called revolution. This is called orbit. Okay. As well as moon is rotating around the earth. What is this? Earth. Moon is rotating around the earth. Okay, Nana? As well as, so moon is natural satellite of the earth. Moon is natural satellite of the earth. Okay. Moon takes, here I forgot one thing, Nana. Our earth is rotating around the sun. Okay. It takes, means our earth takes 365 days. 365 days and 6 hours. 6 hours to complete its revolution. Means it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete this rotation. This one. How much time? 365 days and 6 hours. Earth takes 24 hours time to complete its rotation. But Earth takes 365 days, 6 hours to complete its revolution. Not rotation, revolution. Okay? As well as moon. The moon takes 27 days. The moon takes 27 days. Sorry, Nana. 27 days, 8 hours. 27 days, 8 hours to complete its rotation. To complete its rotation around the earth. Okay? Very good. As well as it takes about the same time to complete its rotation also. Moon takes 27 days, 8 hours to complete its rotation, as well as it takes same time to complete this rotation also around the earth also. Both are same timings. Okay, Nana? Very good. See here. From the earth we see only those parts of the moon that are lit by the sun. It means moon also, not only planets, Nana. This moon means this satellite, natural satellite also getting the sunlight from the sun only. It also reflects. The moon also reflects the light of the sun. Okay? That time only we can see only small parts of the moon. Okay? See here, Nana. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, we don't see it at all. Sun, earth. This is earth. Okay. When the moon is rotating around the earth, here. This is moon, Nana. See, okay, Nana? Sun, orbit, earth, moon. When moon is rotating around the sun, around the earth, then it comes middle of the both sun and earth. It comes between both of between sun and earth. Okay. Then we can't see here moon. In this time only moon is getting sunlight. Moon is getting sunlight. In the time we can't see the moon. After some days, again it will come here. Then we can see the moon. Okay. Because of this rotation only, we are seeing the changes of moon. Some days we can see the full moon. Some days we can see the full moon. This is called full moon, Anna. Okay? But some days we will see half moon. This is half moon, Anna.
No.
This one. See how much thin is this? This is called crescent moon. This is called crescent moon. Crescent, Anna. Okay? On some days we can see the more than half of the moon. We can see the more than half of the moon. This is called gibbous moon. Gibbous moon. Gibbous moon. Okay, Anna? See here. We can see this picture, then we can understand clearly, Anna. Page number 131. This one. When moon comes between both sun and earth, then we can't see the moon. Okay, Anna? This is called new moon. This is called new moon. After some days, again we will see some parts of the moon only. Look, here we can see only thin part of the moon. This part is called crescent. Very thin moon. We can see only small part of the moon. This part is called crescent moon. After some days, we can see half of the moon. We can see half of the moon. Okay. After some days, we can see more than half of the moon. More than half of the moon. This more than half of the moon is called gibbous moon. Okay. But after some days, we can see the full moon. This is full moon. Okay, Anna? Okay. Very good. Okay. So, by the changes of the position of earth and moon, then only we can see the different parts of the different shapes of the moon. Okay, ma? See. This is about moon. Now, let's try to learn about the stars. Stars. We are all like the stars. Yes or no? Yes. They are shining. How they are? They are shining. Okay. Stars. Star means our sun also star, Nana. Okay. As well as we have different types of stars in space. Okay. See here. Stars have own light or no? Yes. Stars have their own light. Only planets and moon. Moon means a satellite. They don't have their own light. Okay, Nana? See. Some stars form patterns in the sky. If you observe during the night, we can see form of the stars. Means some stars form as a group in the sky. Okay, Nana? I will show. We can see so many stars in the sky as a group. They are in different shapes, Nana. They are in different shapes. We can see the shapes in the sky also. Okay. This group, this pattern is called as the this pattern is called constellation. 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 Okay. Constellation means a group of stars, a pattern of the stars. Means stars together form as a pattern. That pattern is called as the constellation. Okay. There are about 88 different constellations. How many, Anna? 88 constellations in the sky. Okay. Some of the constellations are, see here we can see different types of patterns. Page number 132, Anna. Here we can see different types of patterns of stars. Patterns are formed as this, Anna. Okay. These are all. Here we can see these yellow color dots. These yellow color dots are stars, ma. Okay. They are formed as like this. This pattern is called Ursa Major. Ursa Major means the Great Bear, Nana. Asa Major means the Great Bear. Means some stars formed as Asa Major. Okay. Some stars formed as Scorpio. This shape, Nana. Okay. Some stars formed as Orion. Hunter. Okay. Some stars formed as Leo. Means lion. Means lion. Okay. Means stars are formed as a patterns. That pattern is called as constellation. Okay, Nana? Very good. This is about moon, stars, sun and earth also. Now, we have learnt about astronaut. Astronaut is a person who has trained for traveling in a space. But see, now let's try to learn about astronomer. Who is astronomer, Nana? Astronomer also person. Okay, people who study about sun, moon, stars, universe. They are called astronomer. See, not now, Nana. So many years back, we have almost 4 or 5 astronomers in our India. Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, Varamihira, like them. Okay, see here, Nana. They lived about 1500 years ago. They lived in our country as astronomer named Aryabhatta. He is the first astronomer in our India. Who is he? Aryabhatta. Okay. He studied and taught astronomy and mathematics also. He was the first man to tell. He is the first man. He told the earth is round. Who told? Aryabhatta. He is the first man in our India. Okay. Not Indian, Anna, overall. Okay. And he said that it rotates. Earth rotates on its own axis also. Aryabhatta told earth is round in shape, as well as he told it rotates on its own axis also. He is the first man. Okay. Next. And he also told planets. Planets don't have their own light, only stars have light. Okay, Nana? Very good. Varamihira was another. After Aryabhatta, who, Nana? Varamihira. Okay? He is also an astronomer. He wrote many books, Nana. Okay? After them, Bhaskara. Bhaskara too was an astronomer. There are astronomers from India, Nana. Okay? Have you ever seen planetarium, Nana? Planetarium. What is the planetarium, Nana? Okay, I will explain. Okay, planetarium is a place. We can see there different types of planets images, and we can get knowledge of them. Means stars, moon, sun, earth. Okay. It is in Delhi, Jantar Mantar. See here, Nana. Have you seen the Jantar Mantar in New Delhi? Jantar Mantar means it is a place, Nana. The Jantar Mantar. Planetarium is in Jantar Mantar, Nana. Okay, New Delhi. That is in New Delhi. New Delhi, Jaipur, Varanasi. Okay. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh of Amber built them to study the stars. Why we use that? To study about moon, stars, earth. Okay, very good. These instruments, okay, they built different types of instruments also. They built different types of instruments like telescope, like them. Okay, Nana? By using those instruments, we can learn and we can see about the stars, moon, earth and sun also. Okay, these instruments made of lime and plaster. How they are made, Nana? Yes, made of lime and plaster. Why do we use them? Sorry, why do we use them, Nana? Because to measure the time and positions of the planets, changes and positions of the planets, earth, moon. Okay, got my point? Okay. Where is that, Nana? In Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Okay, if you go there, you can see that. Okay, ma? This is about our earth and its neighbors, Nana. Hope you understood this lesson, Nana. Here we have some work to do. Page number 128. This page, Nana. This page. Okay. First one. I have two discs in my name. What is that? Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Okay. Very good. Number 2. The first three letters of my name is a sense organ. Sense organ. I. No. E. Yes. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Very good. Number 3. I twinkle in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yes. What are they? Stars. Very good. Now page number 131, Nana. Checkpoint. This one. Checkpoint. Okay. First one. The sun and the dash planets together form our solar system. 8, 9, 10. 8 ma. Okay. Number 2. The earth rotates from west to east or east to west or north to south. West to east. Very good. Number 3. Day and night are caused due to rotation or revolution or shape of the earth. Day and night because of the rotation of the earth. Very good. Now come to page number 133, Nana. Let us discuss a bit. Pick the correct answers. First one. These don't have light of their own. Stars have their own light. Stars and planets, no. Option B, planets. Okay. Number 2. This has a shape similar to the earth. Football, shoebox, no. Square tabletop, no. Football, correct. Option A. Number 3. The moon shines because it reflects the light of the dash. Moon reflects the, yes, sunlight. Option B, the sun. Okay. Come to page number 134. Number 4. Constellations are the patterns formed by dash. Planets, stars, moons. Yes, stars. Option B. Number 5, Nana. He was the first astronomer to inform the world that the earth is round. Bhaskara, Varahamihira, Aryabhatta. Who is first? Yes, Aryabhatta. Okay, after Aryabhatta, they showed. Let us discuss C bit, Nana. Write the time taken for 1. First one, Nana. Rotation of the earth on its own axis. 24 hours, ma. How much time? 24 hours. Number 2. Revolution of the earth around the sun. How much? Yes. 365 days. 365 days. 6 hours. Number 3. Number 3, Nana. Revolution of the moon around the earth. Not earth and sun, Nana. Moon. How much? Yes. 27 days. 8 hours. 27 days. 8 hours. Okay. Rotation of the moon on its axis. I said, Nana, this one. Both are same. Both are same. Revolution and rotation of the moon around the earth. Both are same. 27 days, 8 hours. Okay. This is about our lesson, Nana. Our earth and its neighbors. Hope you understood this lesson, ma'am. Okay. Good. One more thing, Nana. Don't come outside. If you go outside, please wear mask. Okay. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, parents. Thank you, Lamni, ma'am.